Welcome. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to enable dark mode on the LinkedIn app for PC with the latest update. If you've been wondering how to make your LinkedIn experience easier on the eyes, especially at night, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Once the app loads, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or the Me icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a drop-down menu with different options related to your profile and account. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps all of the important tools for customizing your account. Once you're inside, head over to the section called Account Preferences. This is the place where you can adjust how LinkedIn looks and feels for you. Now, under Account Preferences, scroll until you find the Display Settings. This is the key area for managing the appearance of your LinkedIn app. Inside the display settings, you'll see an option called Dark Mode. Click on that to continue. Here, LinkedIn gives you a few choices. You can keep it off, set it to match your system settings, or turn it on permanently. To enable it right away, choose the option that says Always On. As soon as you select this, the entire LinkedIn interface will switch over to a sleek, dark background. That's it. You've now successfully enabled dark mode on your LinkedIn app for PC. It's a simple adjustment, but it makes a big difference if you spend long hours on the platform. Dark mode not only reduces eye strain, but also gives the app a modern and cleaner look. If you ever want to switch back to the lighter design, just revisit the same settings and toggle the option again. Thanks for watching.